Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing. And today I have this dual bay docking station from LC Power with USB 3.1 Gen 2 Type-C for 2.5 and 3.5 SATA HDD or SSD with cloning storage function, tool-free HDD SSD exchange, nominal data exchange rate up to 10 GB per second, sector by sector copy included boot partition, copy your data at the touch of a button, status and progress LEDs. So let's open the box and find out more about this product and how we can use it. And of course inside we're gonna find out the manual. If you want to read, it's your choice, but stay with me, we're gonna find out all about this product. You can use it on a Mac OS, Windows 10, Windows 7, 11. Included we have the power adapter. It is 12 volt 3 amp 36 watt power consumption with a cable length about 1.2 meters. Included is the cable, 80 cm, Type-C to Type-C. I like the thickness. It feels very good manufacturer cable. So let's move on at the docking. Rubber feet at the bottom. It will stay very secure at any surface. On a black matte color for 3.5 and 2.5. And we can see in the connection inside the same in here. We have the clone button, the power LED here, and we have 25, 50%, 75 and 100% LEDs here. LEDs are showing you the cloning process from 25% to 100%. At the back, USB 3.1 Type-C connection, on-off small switch, and here we can connect and the power, DC 12 volt. And of course, we can connect any 3.5 hard drive. That was also easy. Pull, install. And of course we can connect a 2.5 without a problem. Pull and again lock. Now I will make my test with the 3.5 and 2.5 HDD. I don't have SSDs, I don't use SSD drives because mostly I use these HDDs for storing all my video footage from my YouTube videos. I use only NVMe for my boot drive on my PC. And I have in this Toshiba, it is a slim HDD. This is a regular HDD. Let's see if we can connect. And the slim HDD. Well, why not? Of course, it will bounce back and forward. Doesn't matter. Don't touch it. Just have it at this position. But you can use it. Now I will start the test by just transferring data from my PC to one of these HDD or from one HDD to the other HDD. And of course I will try end the cloning process. Let's plug it in. Power LED, HDD 1 LED indicator, HDD 2 LED indicator. And here we can see the two drives, 2.5, all the files. I can play all the files without a problem, so fast loading. And the 3.5. Hello guys again. Nice, I like it. Fast response, that matters the most. Testing the two drives separately, not the same time. We have good speeds. This is HDD drive. With SSD drive you will have better speed. And next, copying some files from my PC on these two drives. Next, copy files from one drive to the other from 3.5 to 2.5. Now for the cloning process, you need to choose which drive you want to clone. In my case, this drive, the first drive, then insert it at the HDD1 slot, and then the second drive at the HDD2 slot. The first drive has all the files that I need to clone at the second drive. And of course we have the LED indicator at the HDD1 and the HDD2. The drive 2 must have equal or higher capacity than the drive 1. And then just press and hold this button. And after 3 seconds all LEDs are blue and is starting the cloning process. Is 25%. Then 2 LEDs solid on and third flashing on 75%. 75% is complete, near to the end 100%. And after 3.5 hours ends all the process. Sector by sector completes the clone of my first drive. Of course the time it depends by the capacity of the drive. I think it's a great choice to have your drives in this docking, HDD or SSD for faster data transfer up to 10 GB connected with Type-C cable. You can use this docking if you have laptop with Type-C connection and you want more storage, or if your PC is full with drives. And of course to clone 2 drives with a push of the button, if that is your Windows or your data. That was all my viewers. Until my next video, don't forget to subscribe, share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.